What is up, guys, and welcome to the video. So you remember that shaft that I had gotten shafted on the other day? Well, yeah, there's a little more behind that, and I think we got it figured out today, so let's check it out. Here's the mount. Wait for it. What is going on here? Now we're talking about being short shafted. Nope, not anymore. Valuable lesson there is always check your equipment when it arrives and check it thoroughly. Today I came up with a term for that shaft. I like to call it a jack in a box. Full of surprises, eh? Talking to the guy at the auto parts store, and he is looking it up and said, well, I don't see another shaft other than that shaft for your car. And I'm like, well, dude, you know, it just doesn't fit. And all of a sudden he's sitting there, he's fiddling around with it and he pulls it out, and there we go. So it's my little jack in a box. That's what we're going to call this from now on, jack in a box. Well, there's shaft in a box, how about that? So now I have the pleasure of putting this back in, trying to get her lined up, and hopefully things go well. Alright, let's see if we can't get this shaft in here. And wiggle it. Ooh, look at that. She just slides in there. Such a sweet symphony. Alright, so this is the bolt. Check this out. They already put some lock thread on there, which is really cool. I don't have to worry about that now. So we're gonna get that bolt in there. And see, that's where the old shaft was. And that's where I hammered it, right? So that's how I know that that's the right position, because it's got like a slot groove in there, and she just slid right in there. Just perfect. So you can see I'm hand threading it. I'm starting it like that, and I'll get in there with the ratchet. Just in case you were wondering, how do I keep my door open from the wind? So when the wind blows, the door doesn't close. Gotta make sure to have this boot on properly. If you don't, it's gonna leak in the car, right? And you don't want that. Oh, it's on there. Oh yeah, this boot is on there. Nice. All right, let's take a look from under the hood. Do you see it? There it is. The boot is on. There's a nice seal. That's not going to leak. So the shaft is connected here. Just needs to be tightened. The seal's on. Now onto the steering wheel.